Hey, we're boring the top for the flue. Let's see if we can walk through a process here. I hate to go handheld, but I don't know what else to do. Okay, we're just gonna go extract out of the hole. So down here's what that's my power feed. I'd like to go to the boring tool. What I've been doing is just doing one turn, highly scientific. Of course, it doesn't have to be. Now, here's what we're doing here. We're watching this. This is what we're shooting for. We're shooting for 2 inches, plus or minus like 1/8 of an inch. So we can get to there, we're good. So that's got at least another pass. Let's go ahead and give that a shot. Power on. I'll bring it up tight. I can bring it up a little bit closer. Save a little bit of time here. Oops, sorry. Trying to watch 2 things at once. Okay, there we go. Now I can got hands free. Okay, what are we running? 400 RPM on the spindle. Looking good. Pipes, yeah, I'm not sure why that's in there. That's kind of dumb. Get that out of there. I got the pipe clamp there. Man, I'm taking light cuts. It's taking some time. That's okay. Same on this end. What is that? 10.5 inch pipe, schedule 40. A little thicker though than 1/4 inch, as you can see. I don't know if you can tell that. Nice thick pipe. I'm not sure if these numbers mean anything. But it might, I don't know if it has anything to do with it. The cutting sounds nice. On the start of the cut, I just been dripping in a little bit of cutting fluid on it. I don't know. Not sure if it makes a difference. I like the smoke. So, you know, you get a little smoke with it. That's always good. And then over here, I got another spring cut, and I got a piece of 3.5 pipe just slowly going through this. That's going to be for the steam dome. So that's going. Got a piece of 3/8 plate out in the shop, or out in the car. Just got it this morning. Piece of just a cut off from a local fabrication shop. So I got to cut that up too. So I'll be doing that tonight on the saw. Chop it up, get it close to round, and then make 2 3.5 inch. Make a 3.5 inch disc. Basically, it's going to be the top of the steam dome. So yeah, we're going to do that. So that should work pretty well. That's just a quick update.